Hey guys, it's Webkins over 945 with Rosette the Cherry Blossom Bird, and I would like to join Invisible Woman 456's Cherry Blossom Bird Club. Well, this is the only Cherry Blossom Bird Club I could find, and I really wanted to find a club, so I'm glad I found this one. So this is Rosette, my Cherry Blossom Bird. And the club sounds super fun, and I hope you accept me, because she only accepts certain people. And so once again, this is Rosette, my Cherry Blossom Bird, and I hope you choose me to be in your club. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.